Welcome to Zoom Sis.
Today we are in a farmhouse.
And we're gonna explore nature and so much things that you're gonna love.
The farmhouse is in the beautiful center of Switzerland.
So today we're gonna explore so much nature, and we're gonna show you some trees that are with the apple trees, and some pear trees, and some strawberry trees, and some raspberry trees, and so much more. And I hope you're gonna love it. So here are some raspberries. They look very delicious. I want to eat. Here are some apples. There are some fallen apples. These are some. This is a fresh. These are more raspberries, but they are much bigger. This is a pear tree. As you can see, there are some pear. This one is mold, but it's okay. There's so many pears. They look delicious.
Where people buy drinks, jams, fruits, and
So here's the syrup, and you can pour it in your glass. And I already poured it. And this is some water that you can try and taste which flavor it is. And if you will like it, then you can buy it. So we're gonna try it. I'm gonna pour some water. And now try it. It's very delicious.
tastes like ordinary strawberries, but in water it's like much fresher. There are like two bees that are disturbing. How does it
We
taste?
liked it very much.
Guys, here is a beautiful apple tree with many red apples and yellow, green, and it's a small one. And before there was a bigger one. There are some big tomatoes here in a small tunnel. Here, you can see right here, there are big tomatoes. They look very fresh and really natural. And these are on this rope, and they're gonna plant like this, and they won't get hurt.
So this is a water system that will support the plants, that they will keep have water. Strawberries. I like to eat them. They look very yummy, and there's more strawberries. And we shall stop here.
What?
So we guys enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it too.
So like, subscribe, and
hit the
share,
bell button.
and share to many people. Goodbye.
Goodbye.